Hello, wonderful learners! Let's practice reading sentences and sight words. Say, it is a. Let's say that again. It is a. Repeat after me. It is a hat. It's your turn to read. It is a hat. It is a cat. It's your turn. It is a cat. It is a mat. Your turn. It is a mat. It is a rat. Your turn. It is a rat. It is a bag. Your turn. It is a bag. It is a hag. Your turn. It is a hag. It is a rag. It's your turn. It is a rag. It is a can. Your turn. It is a can. It is a fan. Your turn. It is a fan. It is a cap. Your turn. It is a cap. It is a map. Your turn. It is a map. It is a tab. Your turn. It is a tab. It is a keg. Your turn. It is a keg. It is a peg. Your turn. It is a peg. It is a pen. Your turn. It is a pen. It is a hen. Your turn. It is a hen. It is a net. Your turn. It is a net. It is a jet. Your turn. It is a jet. It is a kit. It's your turn. It is a kit. It is a tin. Your turn. It is a tin. It is a bin. Your turn. It is a bin. It is a pin. Your turn. It is a pin. It is a wig. Your turn. It is a wig. It is a fig. Your turn. It is a fig. It is a box. Your turn. It is a box. It is a fox. Your turn. It is a fox. It is a hog. Your turn. It is a hog. It is a log. Your turn. It is a log. It is a top. Your turn. It is a top. It is a bug. Your turn. It is a bug. It is a mug. Your turn. It is a mug. It is a pug. Your turn. It is a pug. It is a bun. Your turn. It is a bun. It is a tub. Your turn. It is a tub. It is a sub. Your turn. It is a sub. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.